If you're creating content, you already know one big problem. You need different tools for everything. One for images, another for videos, another for editing, and it just keeps getting messy and time-consuming. Switching between platforms not only slows you down, but also breaks your workflow, especially when you're trying to stay consistent and productive. And if you're a beginner, it gets even more confusing figuring out which tool to use for what. But what if you could do all of this in one place without making things complicated? Today, I'm going to show you a tool that simplifies everything and brings your entire workflow into a single platform, so you can focus more on creating instead of managing tools. So without further ado, let's dive in. Search for Vheer AI in your browser, and once you open the first search result, this website will appear in front of you. You can also find its link in the description. This is an all-in-one AI tool where you can easily create images and videos on a single platform, and it offers a wide range of AI tools such as text to image, text to video, image to image, multiple images to image to video, image to prompt, image to text, and background remover. First, I'll log into it. You can use it without logging in as well, but by logging in, you get some free credits that you can use. After that, when you click on Start Creating Now, a dashboard like this will open in front of you. You will find all the tools in the sidebar, and they are also organized here category-wise, where many generation styles and templates for image generation are available. First, let's generate an image using text to image. First, you get a prompt box where you have to paste your prompt. For example, I want to generate a thumbnail, so I've pasted my prompt here. After that, you get different models, including the Vheer quality model, which is available completely free, along with several other models such as Flux, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and Minimax. For now, I'll select Nano Banana 2. Then you choose the aspect ratio. Since I want to generate a thumbnail, I'll set it to 16:9. After that, you get a Think option, which, if turned on, will enhance your prompt by adding more details. My prompt is already detailed, so I'll keep it off and click on the Generate button. After waiting for a few seconds, you can see that it has generated a very impressive thumbnail. The logos are created accurately even without any reference, which means the thumbnail is generated exactly according to our prompt. The text is also very accurate. So for creating thumbnails like this, you no longer need Photoshop. Just one prompt can handle everything. Below, you get more options, such as editing the thumbnail directly here. You get different filters that you can apply to your image. There are also adjustment options where you can modify brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, temperature, and more, according to your needs. After that, when you click the Save button, the image is saved with all the changes. You can also check the before and after using this button. From here, you can undo and redo your changes, and there is also a reset button to remove all changes. By clicking the Download button, you can download your image. Now let's move to the next tool, which is text to video. The interface here is also very similar. I want to create a video like a luxury car advertisement, so I paste my prompt here. Again, we go to the Models section, where options like Sedence, Veo 3.1 Fast, LTX, Sora 2, and Hailuo are available. Since Sora 2 is a very powerful and leading model, I'll select it. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9 and leave the Think option off. After that, in the video options, you need to choose the video duration. You can generate videos up to 20 seconds here, but for now, I'll keep it at 8 seconds and the resolution at 720p. After setting everything, I click on Generate, and after waiting for a short time, here is the result. As you can see, it has created a high-quality multi-shot video exactly according to our prompt, and it looks like a professional commercial ad. You can download this video to your device by clicking the Download button below. Now, without wasting time, let's move to the next tool, which is Image to Video. Here, you can add motion to any image and convert it into a video. For example, I've uploaded an image of this watch, and to convert it into a video, I'll also paste a prompt here. Just like we uploaded the first frame, you can also upload an end frame. Now let's select the model. In Image to Video, you get the Vheer quality model for free. But for now, I'll use Veo 3.1 Fast. Since our image is in portrait format, I'll set the aspect ratio to 9:16. I'll set the video duration to 6 seconds and click on the Generate button. And within a few seconds, the result is ready. Now let's move to the next tool, which is Image to Prompt. From here, you can upload any image and get its prompt generated by AI. For example, I upload this thumbnail here, and then you can choose the type of prompt you want: simple, detailed, or creative. For now, I'll select the detailed option and click on Generate. Within 2 to 3 seconds, it gives you the prompt of that image, which you can use anywhere. Now I select the creative option and click on Generate, and you can see that it provides a more detailed and creative prompt. This feature can be very useful for content creators. The next tool is Image to Text. From here, you can upload any image and extract the text present in it. The last tool we have is Background Remover. From here, you can remove the background of any image. For example, I upload this watch photo and click on the Remove Background button, and you can see that the background has been completely removed. You can also check the before and after here, as I showed earlier. From here, you can also add a background. There are some solid colors available that you can use, and below that you will find gradient options as well. You can also choose a custom color and paste a color code to get the exact background you want. There is another excellent feature called AI Background, where you can generate a background using AI. For example, I type wooden table and click on Generate, and you can see that it has added a wooden table background with the watch placed on it. It looks very natural, and even the shadow of the watch has been added perfectly. You can also check the before and after here. In addition, there are many more options available. In portraits and styles, you get various templates such as hairstyle changer, image style transfer, pet portrait, headshot generator, and anime portrait. In image templates, you also get a wide variety of templates, so you can easily generate any type of image you want. Another very useful feature here is history usage. If you go to the text to image and then click on the history button, you will find all your previous generations here, which you can reuse. For example, you can reuse the same prompt for text to image, text to video, or use the same image for image to image, image to video, remove its background, or edit it directly here, just like I showed earlier. There are many editing options available that you can use. If we talk about pricing, you can use this tool completely free. You get 50 credits per month. With the free plan, you can generate images and use all the free tools. If we talk about the premium plan, it costs only $10 and gives you 1,000 credits, which I think is more than enough for an individual creator. So this is Vheer AI, a platform that provides multiple tools in one place, so you don't need to buy subscriptions from different platforms. From here, you can create amazing content easily. The link is in the description, so make sure to try it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.